everyone, my name is Jackie and you are watching a GlamourNinja Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. The model in today's tutorial is my little sister. This was her reaction when I told her she's going to be on YouTube. Okay, back onto the makeup tutorial. I just want to focus mainly on the eye makeup. So throughout the rest of the video will be a time lapse of me finishing up my sister's makeup. Now, let's get started! We are done, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for many more to come. Also, follow my Instagram for your daily dose of makeup art, glam, and products plus giveaways. See you next time. Bye.